might want to listen to this. A new study found that when we sneeze, germs travel a lot farther than previously thought. Ooh. Unless, of course, you're one of those weird sneezers. I know the people that sneeze, they just go for it. Yeah. They sneeze, they're like, like James, I see James Brown encounter, yeah. Can I get 3 Claritin?